Wow, Chef, tell.
My name is Dave Healy, and today is June 19th, 2026. Happy Juneteenth. Happy Father's Day in advance to all the dads in the club. And happy birthday to America in advance. 250 years. Semi-quincentennial birthday. So today, I'm going to have the audacity to cook for you. I am not a chef, but I'm going to make a super easy dish that goes well with all gatherings and occasions, and especially the 4th of July. And the name of that dish is chili. So a little bit of history about chili. It was born on the American frontier in Texas. The cowboys needed something to eat when they were driving the cattle up to Montana. And one innovative chef used dry beef crammed with chili peppers, almost like a big beef bouillon, to take out on the trail at night. He would throw it in the pot, add water, feed the camp under the stars, and it was a hit. And in Texas today, chili only contains beef. They are purists. They do not like to add beans or anything to their chili, and they'll fight you about it. So, but like all things American, it changed over the years. So a group of Greek immigrants in Cincinnati, Ohio, added tomatoes and beans and Mediterranean flavors. And so chili is hard to define. It's what you like. It's very versatile, and I'm going to talk about that. But first, I want to show you the tools. If you want to try this, it takes a little planning and preparation, but the reward is well worth it. You can create chili on a stovetop, in a sauce pot, or on a grill. But by far the easiest way that I have found is this little invention, which is sometimes called the Instapot. I'll show you the controls. It's pretty much set it and forget it. All you have to do is fill it up, press 2 buttons, and it's ready whenever you are. So we're going to do a speeded up version of how to do this. And if Linda will help me with that cord right there,
Sure thing.
we will plug in. Okay, you heard the beep, so we're in business. So ingredients and tools you will need. A wooden spoon.
It's all right.
Where's the alcohol to fill it up?
Yes, it up.
We have to sterilize these. Did anybody grow up with a wooden spoon in their
Oh
house?
my God, I got beat with it.
That's
Italians are
I have
notorious.
a lot of Italian friends. When this comes out, they start to get a little nervous. So that's one you'll need. I use canned vegetables. So you'll need some sort of a can opener. I use some tools to measure, and a sharp knife is a must, but I want to add this little invention here, which is a chopper. This is an excellent gift. I received it as a gift, and it makes chopping onions, chopping garlic, chopping peppers super easy. I'm not going to demonstrate, but basically the chunk goes underneath. If you're frustrated and you had a bad day, this is a lot of fun. So it's a great gift. It's on Amazon for like $15. So we are going to move on to the beginning. The 2 functions I'm going to use on my machine here are first, saute. We'll remove the lid. This is the pot where everything happens. And you need to saute some peppers. This one's hot. Some garlic and some onion. And so I've got them all prepped. Let's start with a little
What is
Olive
it?
oil,
Virgin
or extra
olive oil.
virgin.
Extra virgin.
avocado oil is great too.
Beef
So,
tallow?
which one? Beef tallow? Absolutely. Anything you like. That's the great thing about chili. All right, so diced onions and peppers. And just let it saute. So that's going to cook up. And while it's cooking, you need to get whatever protein that you're going to use ready. And so the protein can go right in there with the vegetables, but I like to drain it. So I've already done that with this meat. So we're just going to add it
Oh, it's not coming out.
here.
Yes.
Give it a spoon.
Oh,
There we go.
Okay. I don't trust you with the wooden spoon.
okay.
So saute, 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 all saute. And so when that's all cooked together and nice and soupy, you're going to add a combination of diced tomatoes, and I like black beans. I love Cuban food. Goya black beans are my favorite. They don't overpower. You can hear this now. In a minute, you're going to smell it. So I'm going to stop this because we don't need to saute anymore. And I'm going to go to the easiest thing on the menu is chili. It's right on the machine. It's a no-brainer.
So easy, a caveman can.
A caveman can do it. Okay. So now what do we have? We
Sounds
have
good.
beans, beef, and we have a lot of fun coming. The last thing, but not the least, maybe the most important, are the spices. So you can see them all in front here. We've got cumin, we've got chili, and we've got cayenne pepper. In it goes. Stir it with the spoon.
King is one.
We're not going to do that because it's not sanitary. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to forget about it. And this is going to tell us when everything's ready. But no worries. If you have to go somewhere, it will switch to a warming mode. And it'll be ready for you when you get home. That's the easy way to cook chili. I got a lot of chili stories. I love chili. Would anybody like to try a little sample of the chili?